Quick little update. If you want to harden off your plants, I'm going to show you the best way to do it. I used to have so much trouble doing this, growing seeds indoors, and then I take them outside and they all get fried and die. Yeah, now I usually get 100% success. I'm going to take my blue fescues and show you what I do. Okay, I've got them all loaded up in a tray that has holes all through the bottom so it doesn't trap water. I got 22 of them. How crazy is that? I was worried I wouldn't get one. Anyway, so we're gonna take them outside. Okay, so I just brought them outside and I have this little corridor between like two buildings. That is south. So we get some morning sun for a few hours basically. And then they're just against the house here. So they won't get any afternoon sun at all. Basically the idea is we've got like 4 or 5 days of overcast and rain in the forecast, and it doesn't go below 0 or below freezing for other people. So that's the time you want to bring your stuff out here and let it get acclimated. And it seems to work really well for me. You just kind of bring them out and forget about them, although keep them watered. If it dips below freezing or it's supposed to, I'll just put them in the garage for the night and then bring them back out. But this tends to work awesome for me. The biggest thing is you want overcast days so they can get used to sunlight. Actually, I lied. I will probably bring these in to the garage every night, just if there's going to be frost. It's not really the cold that kills them, it's the sunlight. It's too intense for them. So you really can't bring your plants out from indoors until there's like a good few days of overcast so they can like gradually get used to it. Yeah, hope that helps. It's helped me a lot.